E kimi ana te kamupene te aona I te hunga rangatahi Māori, ka tahi anō kaoti te kura, ki ai ke kirunga I tō rātau waka.
Ko te mea nui mō ngā rangatahi, ki te kohi, ki te tiki ngā pūkenga, mō tēnei kaipakahi, ko te civil infrastructure. He tino hau, te nuinga o rātau, ngā rangatahi, I te mutunga o te wiki, kei te marama rātau, ētahi mea, ētahi ture, ētahi tikanga, e pāna ki te kaipakahi.
Ko whakatupu te kura, he hōtaka e aro atu ana ki te hunga rangatahi Māori, ka rea no kia whai huarahi ki te ao mātauranga. Ka tai kirunga marae ki reira wānanga ai, I ngā akoranga e hāngai ana ki ngā whāinga nui o te ana, me ngā momo awhina, hei tauawhi I ōna kaimahi katoa.
On a real basic level, it is to get our rangatahi into work so that they don't become NEETs, not an employment, education or training. As from a business perspective, we're trying to attract young Māori into our business. We have an ageing workforce. We want rangatahi Māori working for us. We also want to be an employer of choice for Māori. On another level, it's about giving our rangatahi an opportunity to advance. In our industry, we probably have, I think we do have the largest amount of six-figure salaries of any industry. And for me, when I look at our rangatahi, I want to connect them with those salaries so they have those for the rest of their life. They're not on this little salary, they can go and achieve great things.
Ko tā te kaiwhakahaere o te hōtaka, ko tā Jared Telford kōrero, he maha ngā tūranga mahi kei Downer ma te hunga rangatahi, me te hōtaka whakatupu te kura. Ko te mana ko ia, ka tahuri mai ngā rangatahi ki te whai umanga me tētahi kamupene, pūhanga, me tarahi.
First of all, they're going to start off with a broom and a shovel and a paddle, you know, but we all started there. But once they get in there, like Downer can offer trades in plumbing, electrical, carpentry. We can also move into the water business, the telco business. The one I'm most interested in getting into is engineering. So they can start off with us on the ground and then they move into a cadet and then they can move into engineering, or they can stay in the operational side and they can become a supervisor, site superintendent and get to that big pūtea as well.
Ko e nei rangatahi e te kaumārua ko ngā tauira hou I whakapōtaitia I te hōtaka no ngā hau e whā o te motu rātau mai te kaumāwhitu ki te rua te kaumātahi te pakeke te katoa kua whai tūranga mahi ki te auna I nāianei.
You know, just overwhelmed and to be able to graduate was a good feeling. Coming away with another accomplishment, considering I did do the LSV and then accomplishing this, it's a bonus itself really. When I was doing my survey, they seemed really interested in what I had to offer. And they were just telling me some of the values that really they live up to, and that really took my attention, or that caught my attention pretty much. And ever since then, I've been, just thinking over time, what some good habits that I can start picking up on, routine, and just trying to, build as an adult really. So this is like one of my first jobs I've ever had. So this is all completely new to me, and completing this course or this whole training week has felt great. It's felt amazing, and it's got me pumped.
Feel good, picked up some new mates, new experiences, new abilities, feeling good, being able to pick up new skills, new licenses, and getting to know new people.
Make a bit of money as well.
Yeah, making that coin, can't forget about that.
A lot of our people on the ground in Orange are brown, and in management and leadership positions, they were not. And we needed to address that because with the browning of the population, I think in 2050, 1 in 3 children being born are going to be Māori. We needed to set ourselves up as a business to have Māori leaders. So our leadership teams better reflected the communities that we served and actually our entire workforce.
E au mihi ana Downer ki te mana o te tangata whenua o Aotearoa. E manawa nui ana hoki a Downer ki te pupuri I ona kaimahi Māori, ko te wawata ka kite atu I te hunga Māori ki roto I ngā mahi katoa a Downer puta noa o te motu. Ke me hemi te reo o Te Uru.